Hi, I'm Nikhil from Technary.com, and today we have Oppo Powerbank 2 overview. So this is a device which will soon get launched on 18th of August, that is tomorrow. So we'll talk about the features and details of this power bank. So Oppo is soon going to launch a power bank of 10,000 milliampere hour on 18th of August 2020. Let us have a look at the features of the Oppo 10,000 milliampere hour power bank. So weight of this power bank is only 273 gram and it has 10,000 milliampere hour battery capacity. The device comes with lithium ion battery and comes with type C connector. It comes with a 2-in-1 cable which is able to charge micro USB and USB type C devices. So dimensions of the device are 90 by 120 by 55 millimeters. The device has 18-watt fast charging. It is 16% faster than the normal power banks as per the company while charging an Oppo Find X2 smartphone. You can easily charge your smartphone, tablet, and many more devices. There is a mode to charge the low current devices. So this is a low current charging mode where you can double press the power bank's button twice to use this mode. It comes with a 12-factor safety assurance. It is very much safe from short circuiting, overheating, input voltage, and many others. It has versatile dual connector cable. You can connect different compatible micro USB and USB Type C devices. It has USB Type C support, which is useful for 18-watt fast charging for input and output. This is a slim power bank which has touchable matte and rigged texture. It has total 3 ports which include USB-A, USB-C and multi-port USB-A. It will be available in white, black color variants. So there are two variants, white and black. Though the price is not yet revealed, but we suspect that the price will be around 1,999. So if you want to purchase this device as soon as it gets launched, do check out the link in the description below. So that's it from our side. For interesting tech news and gadget reviews, keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.